do. Go to Twitch, do something, then I'll come back, okay?
What? It's already too late. I'm trying to search up Drew's YouTube channel. Oh, boys, by the way, stream. Well, I don't know why I say stream when there's like no one in my video. But like, go subscribe to that man and LJC4457.
Did you actually search up my account?
I'm trying to find Drew's.
What's your name? What's your account name?
Okay, it's here. Let me type it in chat. Cause I can't. You can't.
Actually, 1 second. 1 second. Be right back.
Alright, I just typed it in the chat, by the way. Everyone's just disconnected. Come on. Alright, we're gonna have to be AFK for a little bit. So yeah, you can just find it.
Hello?
Hello.
Hello?
OJC had to leave.
Why do you have to leave?
Oh, not leave, but like.
I'm not sure I can't tell. Wait, let me go. I gotta go check something. See you again.
Oh, oh my god.
We're streaming.
He just started it.
Yeah, I'm also on. Let's go. Got nobody watching. Okay, what do you want to play? You play some duos?
I don't know. Sure, I don't care. I mean, LJC said he was gonna be back.
Why do you have to go?
Oh, he's here. All right, let me invite him.
Yeah, let me invite him too. Hello. I'm streaming. I'm on.
All right.
Streamer.
Oh, what's good?
What's up, buddies? I don't think anybody's right now watching my stream. Because 0 viewers. Plus, you got anybody watching yours?
No. Someone just commented on my thing. Hold on, wait. Someone just commented. Dude, it's someone random. It's like a freaking random name, and then just a bunch of like random letters. Like it's random letters and random letters. Okay, sir. It's literal random letters. What do you? How?
That could be like a link creative.
It's not a link.
Oh, creative? Oh, creative? Let me give you the.
What are you talking about? Okay. What that but up? I can't get involved.
We're taking off the rocks now.
No, since you want to show off co-creative.
Stop doing that emote.
Why?
Okay.
Bah. And Drew, become the same one.
3.
Why don't I just? Bah. I'm sorry, stream. What am I doing? I'm already joining? Then let me join. Hold on, I'm gonna have to unable. Alright, then let me do this then. Where's my? There it is. Sure. Oh wait, no. Okay, never mind. Yeah, you mind not kicking me out? You know, it would be
You're
like
leader, bro. I didn't kick you. I was a leader. It was LJC.
Yeah, I know.
How many people you got watching on your stream?
0. You think I'm famous?
I don't know how big you are. How big are you?
Freaking little. What do you mean? How big I am?
How
I
big are you?
literally
Like,
have
how many
no
people
one.
do you usually get on your streams? 1, 2, 0?
It's 0 every time, but it's because it's yeah no
Well,
one.
sometimes 1. I've been streaming for 4 minutes?
I'm streaming for I don't know. I'm on my live right now. I'm checking out.
I've been streaming for 4 minutes?
I'm streaming for I don't know. I'm on my
you're
live
using
right now. I'm checking out.
You're using YouTube Live? I'm using Xbox Live.
Oh no. Okay.
I'm not using Xbox, I'm using
It's been a while since I posted.
I'm using Twitch right now.
Ty Barber sign. What?
Are you using
I'm
YouTube?
sorry. What?
Aussie, are you
yes,
using
I'm
YouTube?
using YouTube. Wait, there's one person watching? Who's watching? I mean, whoever's watching, thank you. Oh, jeez. Someone's actually watching, though.
Right.
I don't know who. I would shut them out,
Kasi,
but
let
I
me
can't.
send you a video. You need to subscribe to my
Because we
channel.
can't see the thing.
You do need to subscribe.
I'm trying to find your username.
I'm sending you the link so you can just sub to it.
Oh, okay, thank you. I really need LJ. What is LJC doing? I just invited him.
Dude, I keep inviting him. Dude.
This guy, is he really still watching my stream? There's no way someone would actually be interested.
I sent you the link.
I feel like no one would be interested in my freaking streams. No one actually watches it. Anyways, Halo Infinite, that man. Wait, isn't Halo Infinite free, right? It's free?
Free for me.
Well, no, I've seen Halo Infinite and it said it was free.
No, it's not. It's not free for y'all.
Well, on Xbox. Well, maybe on Xbox. I don't know.
It's free on Xbox if
No
you have
one
the Game
saw
Pass.
your snow in Texas video.
But the snow is super bad.
Can you buy Halo?
He's still here. Hold up. I don't know. Advanced settings?
But the snow is.
What? What did you say? I'm sorry, it said it'll never be on PS4? Oh, for real. I mean, no disrespect. Comments to speech. Speak spectator comments. Comments are spoken when this is set to enable comments to speak. I'm turning that on just because I really don't know. And I just put on maximum volume.
Oh, I got
So
a
this
viewer
guy
on.
can just text on
Hello,
anything.
viewer. What are you
So
doing
this,
here?
whatever my viewer is, he can just text to me. Wait, is this LJC? I'm just realized, is this LJC? It's probably LJC trying to look at my comments. LJC, if you're there, hurry up and join the lobby so we can actually do it.
It said he went to launcher.
tutorials. What?
Let me
Yeah,
call
he's
him.
probably trying to watch my stream.
Hey, viewer, what are you doing, viewer?
Probably.
I have
And
a
that's,
viewer right now. Oh, Tassi, I have a viewer too.
that's probably LJC. Maybe it's LJC. Maybe.
There's no way. I didn't tell him my
You did tell me
Twitch
though.
account. It's my Twitch account.
Oh, you have a Twitch account?
Yeah, I'm streaming on Twitch.
Oh, you're gonna get banned at 13 years old, cause you have to be 13 plus.
I'm
Wait.
13 plus, dummy.
What do you mean? Oh,
Oh,
yeah,
you not know
are
when my
13.
birthday is, bro?
Wait, how old are you right now? 13?
Yeah, 13.
You're 13? I thought you
Wink,
were.
wink. Wink, wink.
Wait, what? You're 12? Oh my god, I'm gonna tell the FBI.
Oh my god, I'm getting banned. I'm getting banned.
He stole my. Who's watching though? Yo, I'm just gonna put on duels. I really don't know.
Let me call LJC.
Entertain my one viewer.
Entertain my one viewer too. I'm about to watch them. What's up, one viewer? What you doing?
19 notifications on my Oculus? That's cap.
playing-
There's no way. How do I have 19 notifications?
Your phone's not working. Bro.
Alerts? What?
Join our lobby. We're still playing the game.
What? What are you doing?
9 minutes on LGC.
Okay. She has a voicemail. I heard about that. But this man is really not wanting to answer the phone.
What is that voicemail?
I know, it's kind of a weird
If
voicemail.
you were gonna watch, obviously I'm not the best viewer, but you know.
I
guy?
dropped like I just dropped a whole liter of water on myself. Jeez.
Where are we dropping? Tilted. Give her viewers a show. Oh, Lee?
Yes, I joined.
Okay, leave match.
Do we really wanna though? Like,
Yes, you do.
wait, were you the viewer? Were you watching our streams? I knew it. I knew it was RJC.
I don't even know your freaking YouTube name. How would I get your streams? No, that was some random person.
For real?
I still got a streamer, right?
Oh, the other guy just left. I don't have no one else.
So,
You say
wanna
any
hear-
bad words. I'm
Alright.
streaming on Twitch.
Today I found out that I have an erectile dysfunction.
For real.
Get me banned.
For real, really. Yeah,
Today-
exactly.
Today I went on some
I'm not getting banned.
all I hear is some kids saying, "You're gonna get banned from
It's
Twitch."
Riker, yeah. Little brother.
All I heard is, "You're gonna get banned from Twitch."
Jeez. Don't hit me right there. Ba-ba-da-ba-da-ba. On air. I'm not on air, I'm in air.
Huh?
Oh, yeah, it's not the same.
Get on him.
Dude, why does your freaking sibling sound so weird?
Hit Riker. No, I'm just kidding. Don't hit Riker.
Riker sounds like he's on meth.
Xbox is
He is
best.
on meth.
Who?
He sounds like
LJC. I'm at Drew. Really? You gonna do me like that? It's on text. It's where now it's on text to speech. So whatever you like, whenever you
Xbox is best.
yeah, the next thing I hear is Xbox the best. Cause now whenever you put something in chat, it says it out loud. So like, if someone says something bad, bro, I'm literally gonna get
not get
demonetized.
tell them that I visited their mom. Please tell them.
That was me.
Oh frick! Oh, he's bad. He's bad.
Who's this kid? I mean, did you see a pickaxe? You had a SMG.
Dang it, bro.
You got pickaxe.
Pickaxed. Oh, you're dead. Okay.
What?
That was
What? Go in
That's
arena. Go in arenas. What's the creative right now?
no.
I'm gonna get you banned now.
Okay.
No, I can't get banned for other people's actions.
I like balls.
For real.
You're just getting.
Yeah, you're just gonna
I
get
like
kicked at this
balls.
point. Say
Ready
one more
up.
time, we're getting kicked.
All right.
Yeah, I really
How
don't.
about that?
Go ahead. Balls.
Alright then. Fine then. You made me do it. He said it. He made me do it. He asked for it though, you know. He did really ask for it. It's not my fault. He asked for it. He asked for it. He asked for it. He asked for it. Alright, I'm just gonna invite him back.
Did you just hear? Did you not hear that?
What?
The Texas speech hasn't worked yet.
Hold on, wait. No, it hasn't registered yet.
Oh, it's because I didn't send it.
Why is he calling me?
I said he could join. Go for it.
Oh crap. I mean, you made me do it. It's not my fault. You made me do it. I said, I warned you, I was gonna kick you, and you made me do it.
I still have this viewer. Oh my god, you are dedicated.
You made me do it. It's not my fault. You said do it. You said, all right, bet, do it. That's what you literally said. All right, bet.
Oh, my dog's mad. Remove mask.
Then don't say it. Oh, you shouldn't have said it.
Mask back on.
I mean, like, you know. Didn't invite.
Yeah.
Bye, Drew.
What? He invited me.
Yeah, just join him. Hey, it's not my fault. He's complaining that he can't join. You made me do it. Come on, you have to be real.
Xbox is best.
How many times?
Xbox, no, it's not.
I don't know how many times.
True, no, it's
I don't
not.
realize it's still telling me that I'm unable to join. Finally,
I told you.
on. I mean, I don't know how many times I have to tell you that it's simply when you kick me.
Well then, if you would
I
have said
can't
it,
join.
then I would have been
then
fine.
I can't join. And guess
Also, I
who's
need
part of
25k.
you now?
Destroyed hiding places? Dude, what? What is destroy hiding places, by the way? I do not do any quest, I'm not gonna lie, and I kind of feel like I should wanna.
Xbox is best.
No, it's not, Drew. If you don't stop saying it, I swear. Tweezy's on.
Only now.
I just put
Tossie
it.
Barber. If you look up that, you'll find it.
Tossie Barber.
Let me
Let
put
me
it in
share it.
chat.
Let me share it in the group chat. Let me share it in the group chat. Wait, no, not in
I
the group
just
chat.
put it in
share
chat.
with you.
The Fortnite chat. Fortnite chat.
I'm looking this up on YouTube, like right now. I want to see your YouTube channel. Before we go on creative, I want to see your YouTube channel.
I need to share this with.
Alright, let's see.
If you can't find it, wait, no.
Barber.
If you can't find it, I'm
Tossie
sending it
Barber.
to you.
17 subscribers.
I'm one of them.
Oh, I get to see your parents.
What do you mean?
Don't go too far down the list. I'm serious. Don't go too far.
Subscribe.
It gets depressing.
Hit the notice.
How do you edit
Hey,
this?
bro, can you join me? Join my account. Pay $15 bills.
No, I'm still
Goodbye.
not. I can do that in real life, but like no.
Goodbye, cousin.
Some of his most viewed videos don't make sense.
Yeah, I know. For real.
Like, how'd they get so many views?
I have no idea. Like that's
we-
really questionable.
On the trampoline. Goodbye, cousin. Vroom. Oh, you got 2K. No, bro, you got 2K.
For
You
real?
got 2.5K views.
For
October
real?
20.
It's
Yeah,
kind
you
of
got 2K.
questionable.
You got 2.5K. You got 2.5Ks.
Who just sent me? Mid. Oh, you might stop. You might stop. You mind stopping?
Mid.
Fine. Fine.
Mid. Stop spamming.
It's gonna be
I've already stopped.
Only
2.5k.
17, 18
Where,
subscribers.
where did you
Jay,
find
you have 2,000
2.5k?
V-Bucks? Ain't no way.
Don't look at my stream.
Drew, where did you find 2.5k?
FGD. F. F.
Oh, if you go to October,
F. F.
it's one of your shorts. I
October?
think. Videos. If you go all the way down to October 22nd, 2001.
Wait a minute.
Oh yeah, October 22.
Wait, can you guys hear me?
Yeah, we can hear
2.5k. Yeah, I know. I hear you. Ow, I just hit my own. Ow, it hurt.
Well, I heard
These are
that
two
loud. I heard that loud crack.
What crack?
Okay, I have a map.
It was
I have a map.
I guess.
That was not a crack. I dropped my
have
own
a map,
phone
I
and I
have a
hit my
map.
own like,
Let me just find it.
you know, in between your fist and your like elbow. I hit in between that,
I
Right in there.
a map.
right in the middle.
Nah, you put it in. I
Okay, I'm gonna put it in.
don't know who the streamer is.
Mid.
I don't know who's guys watching my.
Who? You're lucky. You actually have someone.
Account, bro.
You're lucky, Drew. You have an actual like viewer. It's because you're streaming on Twitch. Twitch, it's where like
because-
more people mostly like find.
That's where I get my. Why don't you stream on Twitch?
Stop it! Stop it! Stop!
Stop
Skipping some
spamming.
And
comments.
you stop it.
GDFG. F. GDG.
Who's on my stream?
DF.
Bro, stop it! You're spamming one certain thing, bro.
I don't know who this guy's actually watching, bro.
Oh, please. Oh,
Wow,
thank you.
well, that was about to be a great pickaxe kill, Drew. But no.
I'm not gonna quit that.
I was 84 health.
What the
So
freak
I
was
really get-
that?
Get B. Get
Controller player, you have a
Controller player. That was all.
I'm recording you to Epic Games.
For what? That wasn't even aim. You know I don't got good aim. It's just lucky.
You really don't have any good aim. Unless that was
That was about to be such a good clip, but okay. That was about to be such a good clip, come on, boy. But okay, I guess I have to spam your chat again. Oh wow, okay. Here comes the third party here. Here comes the third party here. Here he comes, here he comes, here he comes.
Good one. Who's that? Who's that?
Drew, LGC has 0 kills.
Yeah, because I'm getting.
know
Yeah, because of that. That's why. That's why. See why? I gotta spam chat. Because I gotta spam chat.
Don't spam chat.
I only streamer right now. What?
Skipping some
Oh,
comments.
can I please have a few more minutes?
GG. G.
Oh, you mind stop it?
GG.
Oh god, oh god, oh god.
GG.
Oh my god. Bro, I have 45 freaking comments just because
You're
of
low.
you.
You're low. I know you're low.
You're low.
Wow, I gotta steal you. You gotta steal it, you little rat. You little rat, you little rat, you little rat.
Actually, Tossi's kills go up by 1.
That's you little rat.
Oh, you little rat.
Tossie, you're a little rat.
He's so low. He's so low. Dude,
Tossie,
he's low.
okay.
oh,
low.
it's Drew. It's Drew that's the rat now.
Little rat. I killed.
Yeah, well, we were in the middle of a gunfight.
Oh, you're lucky.
Actually, I was fighting first.
Dang, you're getting destroyed.
I was fighting you first, and then Tossi came out on me.
Oh, I was literal 8 health. What am I supposed to do?
Go ahead, chat. Go ahead, chat.
Drew, you gonna let him destroy you like this?
What the freak, Mr. Lag? I put a stare over you, Mr. Lag.
Mr. Lag lags all the way out.
Sometimes life is good.
What? Someone.
I did no damage to you.
No, you just know. You didn't.
Oh, dang. I just come from behind and he just freaking pump you in the head. Oh.
Why am I missing this?
You.
Why are you missing your shots? Like you're meant to be the best one with their hands and stuff like that.
Cause you have a literal PC. Who asked though?
Lucky for that kill. I gave you that kill.
You're so like you're raging because we have freaking aim assist, even though aim assist is so bad today.
You're barely using it.
What am I supposed to do?
That's how I feel. That is legit how I feel.
I know, I don't care though.
Oh, nope, not today. Not today.
Oh, please. No, you're so lucky. Drew almost died. Drew, you better run. Drew, run, Drew.
No. I have max health. I have decent health.
You have decent health now. Now you have only decent health.
Nothing working right now.
Oh, you're like...
You kill stealer. You kill stealer. Oh, trying to steal my kill. What the? Oh, then my. Oh.
Oh, the next thing I hear is what the, and then I die. You're just gonna let him do you like that?
But I'm.
How?
Oh my! Why am I constantly reloading my gun? Why is it automatically reloading? I don't have that enabled.
Cause you're probably because. Okay.
You have it enabled.
Me and Drew just come up to you, and then we both just shot you at the same time.
I have to sit out, so
That was brutal.
yeah, go. I have to sit out
Why?
because I have to get in the shower.
Oh. Of course.
My one treat was
I
I have to
shot
watch
you.
this.
Did I not though? I did shoot you though. Shoot you though. Or did I not?
How do you sit out? I forgot.
You don't worry about being out. We're gonna stay creative the whole time.
How about you worry about go sitting on some girls?
What?
No, I'm seriously. How do you sit out?
Nope. Nope.
But seriously, how do you sit
Dude,
out?
if you edit it, you're dead.
Yeah,
How
I'm
do you
not. I'm
sit out?
leaving.
I'm just gonna unput my map.
Alright. I'm tired of playing blue AR and golden pump.
You were doing so good. I want that energy. What? Just because you don't have your little kill thing, you're all of a sudden you're unmotivated.
Oh! What? How is that only 34 damage in the head? So you're saying if I shoot you right in the head with a shotgun, it only does
It
40,
looks like aim
34?
assist is broken.
Dude,
it's not
you
working.
know that PS4 freaking, even though we have like aim assist is literally not even useful anymore. It's useless now. Oh, I didn't build a wall.
Shouldn't have done that edit. Shouldn't have done that edit. Sitting up.
Okay.
Oh, dude. Oh my gosh. Ah, the water. My banana is so dry. What the heck? Huh. What the freak?
I'll let you go.
I can see the banana. Yeah, you can just stay in there. You can just stay in that little thing.
Ooh. A 63.
You hit me.
63.
You hit me.
How? How you not
I
die?
saw the hit marker. You know when you get hit, like there's like a little red line that shows you where you got hit? That's what I legit saw that.
Ooh. Oh, what the?
Oh, I was about to say, if I do, you have to sniff my toes.
What?
That was such an ass, bro. Wait a minute, wait a
Door.
minute. Hey, one sec, my friend. It's my friend from Texas. Where is he? Young Twisted. Invite.
What?
That's his name. He was my friend in Texas.
Why did I grab my freaking shotgun now? I mean my rifle out. Come on.
Oh!
Why don't I respawn so fast? Damn.
Oh, I need more 200 pumps.
Yeah, I need 2 more points.
Oh, come, thank you all. Okay. Oh, crap. Let me go to stream set.
Hello.
Oh, there you go. There you go. That was a fast shower.
You take a quick shower.
I'm not gonna lie. Usually I do too. Usually I do take fast showers, but like,
Let's take.
that was fast.
I shower.
You got all your clothes on
I take
and
long
freaking lotion.
showers, but
You got lotion on? How did you get lotion on so fast?
I'm white. I don't need no.
I'm white. I don't need lotion.
I'm
It's a
tan.
camouflage.
I'm tan. I don't need sunscreen. That's the best thing about being black. Because natural, you have like vitamins.
Well, you're not.
I'm not black. I'm like tannish.
It's called melatonin, bro.
No, like
No.
like basically just things that like do this one time. So
Sheesh.
me and my mom, and some friends, we were gonna go to like this group like exploring. We're having a vacation. But you know, and we went to the beach.
Ooh,
And
nice one.
basically, they all got sunburned
Oh,
except
okay.
for me when they were swimming. All of them had terrible sunburn, and they were white.
What burn, bro? You don't know the pain.
You can kill Drew right now. Like,
Third party.
oh dang. Dang, I'm dying. I'm dead. I'm bad. There's no way I didn't kill Drew or
No, you're
you.
pretty good.
So 116.
Oh,
We
please,
hit the
please,
third
please.
party.
I'm out. Let me out.
I'm streaming for 31 minutes.
You've been streaming. You were AFK. Oh my god.
Oh, it's
Did you see that other thing? I shot you with the AR instead of a pump. Oh my god. Oh.
Oh!
Yeah. Dude, tell your brother to shut up, because he's bad
Shut
at
up.
the game, probably. Tell him that he's bad at the game, so he can't talk. Tell him that I would destroy him, flip him in a 1v1. So tell him to.
How did you hit me when you were literally aiming at the top of my head? No, not like you literally could have gave me a #1 fresh cub, but instead you gave me a freaking decapitated head.
You?
The decapitating like, oh, wow.
Brutal. Please. Thank you, OTC. Thank you.
I have to spare those in need. But now, no
I'm in
spare.
need. He's not in need.
I was literally too. Yes, I was literally so low. I was literally so low.
So you were at least 2 or 1.
Brutal. I'm literally missing every single shot in my
Is
head.
this Spanish? Like,
Yeah.
how am I not hitting my shot?
Y'all wanna go play some Warzone? Bro, look, it's 13,
no.
23, 33. All 10 by 10.
Hey,
10 plus 10. Okay.
Well, I kind of have my thing named as Fortnite, so.
But I'm sorry, but we're gonna have to play some Warzone, so.
Honestly, I don't care.
Everyone-
81. Some little kid's gonna be like, oh, Fortnite, I'm gonna watch that stream.
Oh, Warzone.
Warzone.
Why do you think Warzone?
Freaking bloody as shit. You got all the gore effects
Tell
on.
your brother that I was clipping him in a 1v1.
Bro, I literally could clip him easily.
Oh, please, please, please.
I mean, even you're like the boss.
He plays, no. This guy only plays bot.
I mean, you're like a boss.
No, I'm not. I'm decent, bro. I'm better than a
He
default.
can kill bots. He's better than a bot, but worse than a pro, so.
I'm better than a default. Oh, 100%.
Oh my god,
Jeez.
my ankles, Fladita.
Jeez.
Damn,
That's my gaming chair.
I'm not a hacker. I just have a good game.
My chair.
Why aren't you being a good gaming
Oh yeah, bro. I got a chair now?
Oh, someone's texting, bro, chill.
Who's texting you, bro?
I don't
Is it,
know.
Percy?
It's probably Percy.
If it's Percy,
But he's probably just, it's a group chat, so.
the night of the spam.
It looks like a shovel. I don't really feel like looking at the video.
Oh my god, spammers!
Oh, please.
I hit you for 69.
Why specifically that?
I still have this one guy watching.
For real? This guy's literally an OG.
He wants to watch.
What am I
The
supposed to
cat.
do?
Look at the cat.
Drew, you had to ruin that clip. It was
Don't
such
be
a
the
good
cat.
clip. Magnificent.
Be the
I didn't even kill you. I didn't get damage on you. You just died to him.
Oh, you're the one that was taking my wall out.
I trained the brute.
Oh, and then you shoot.
What do you mean I'm bad? Get better. The only reason you're ahead of me is because I left.
That's kind of true.
Okay, my turn.
That's my kill. Just one more kill. Oh no, 3 more kills
69
actually.
damage. 69.
Okay, you know what? Can you stop?
This freaking
I'm
guy
not
got
capping.
Well, I don't care. I don't care about how much damage you did to me.
I got
Holy,
third party.
203.
I got double hit. That wasn't even anything. I literally.
I never did any
how I
damage.
feel.
He killed you before I could do any
It's
damage.
worse than you think. I had damage.
Give me that kill.
I
Give me
saw
that
you.
kill.
I'm lagging so bad. I'm lagging so bad.
I can't. Door. Give me the kill.
GG. GG, man.
Oh,
Team
you
up, team up.
camper.
Oh my, how I built a wall.
I limited it,
built
LJC.
I built that stairs.
You did build them stairs. I lagged where I shot the bullet.
Oh,
Where am I? What is lagging? Face, bro. GG. You boys wanna go to Warzone?
Yeah, bet. See ya.